I'm not sure I understand what the concern is in Asia today.
Well, look, I think it's a good point because anybody who thought that she wasn't solidifying power in the end, ever since we went very belligerent on Taiwan and what we're doing with the chips, I think you're just out of it. I did think that the escort scene was
Jintao being taken out of the proceedings.
Didn't you regard that as being somewhat dramatic?
Yes.
And for show, meaning, okay,
yes,
solidified.
One day they're going to come to you, Jim.
Thank you very much for that.
It's time.
I appreciate that.
I'm going to exit.
Like Abe Vigoda.
No. Come on.
It was like Abe Vigoda. It was like Abe Vigoda.
You really got to go.
All right, I'll go. We have an empty chair. We'll do that.
It was very dramatic.
Right, but what's happened is that there are people who come on our air, and no matter what, they recommend Chinese stocks. And they'll be back. They'll be like, you know what, this is the opportunity to buy China. And it's been like so wrong for so long. I'm just going to do it. This is it. I think Pinduoduo and Billy, it's time. There. I just did what fund managers have the guts to come on our network and say, and lose people fortunes.
Yeah, I mean.
And they love it. They love it. Excuse me, David, did you know that e-commerce in China is better than ever?
Well,
Alibaba, it's a communist country.
Alibaba shares,
it's time,
in many ways have been the bellwether, certainly the most well-known name that trades here in the U.S. Can remember the IPO. It's many years ago at this point.
That was
Jack
different.
Ma.
That was different time,
right? Different time.
They were going toward capitalism then. See, now they're going for hardcore.
And I mean, to look at a decline like that for Alibaba, simply on, to your point, Jim, something that was more or less known. Right. But perhaps it's the way that he replaced, he's got loyalists in every single position now,
right.
Replacing people. Perhaps it was just it's even more drastic than had been thought.
But people just think, well, look, if the numbers are good. It's like, Carl, they had some sort of economic growth number. I trust none of their numbers. I mean, would I trust anything Mao said? We're pre-ping-pong diplomacy. But the fund managers will still have the guts to come on our network and say things that it's really time.
Yeah. Of course, it's not affecting our ability to at least start a rally for the week, Jim. You got Stifel saying peak inflation. Goldman, we're not on the cusp of a recession. Morgan Stanley, tactical rally continues.
The research is so out of whack with the stocks. It's amazing because there's just nothing but downgrades and price target cuts. So those who are interested in trading understand that you're getting the gift of a lifetime. Because many of the stocks, there wasn't a stock that I read this morning that was, other than ATT, was a buy. Almost everything. Oh, WeWork.
What about WeWork?
Well,
it was upgraded.
ServiceNow out of Guggenheim.
Yeah, but no substance to it. Just like,
Premier asset.
Yeah, the federal government contracts. That was just a call that, you know what, we can start buying these old stocks again. There was nothing new, as much as I respect Bill McDermott. There was nothing in there. So we've got a very odd situation where companies themselves, the analysts don't like them, but the top of Mike Wilson's piece, he was back to I've seen fire, I've seen ice. I mean, he's really incredible. The Fire and Straw Coalition. Who was that? That was Nixon. So Wilson is again behind a lot of this, and then you've got
that was last week. That was early last week when he came out with that piece.
Short-term bullish.
And by the way, already he's been proved correct so far.
He says that in the first sentence.
We were up 4.7%.
You read that? He says, "I'm right. I've been right, and I'm going to remain right." You see, because I'm right. There, I'm right. I actually like the guy because he comes on every other second. But I would say, like some other people, but I would say he's dead right. I mean, we're at that phase that it's good, but then remember, it's supposed to have bad earnings and go down.
Well, yeah, and where's that?
I don't know.
By the way, we've got 101 S&P companies reported so far. 47 are beating on the top and the bottom line. This point, the prior quarter, it was only 44%.
Yeah, I think he's going to end up seeing that he's seen fire. I think it's going to be he's seen fire, he's seen rain.
Well,
not ice.
This is going to be an important week when we get
JT joke.
Did
you didn't even get my JT joke?
I was moving on.
Do you know that someone I did a book, a bottle signing at Binny's? Everyone is convinced that you just hate me.
Really?
Everybody. It's like, how much does he really hate you?
No, that's what people ask you?
Yeah, I know.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.